Welcome to day 15 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Today, we'll be practicing noticing the space between the breath. Go ahead and find a posture that feels supportive for this practice, a posture that allows you to remain relaxed and also alert. You could be seated up on a cushion with your back nice and tall, or seated in a chair, lying down, or even standing with your back against a wall. Whatever posture is going to allow you to be supported in your practice. Allow the eyes to gently close, bringing our attention inward. Or you could even just have your eyes a quarter of the way open, gazing softly to the floor in front of you. And let's take a slow, deep breath in through the nostrils and then exhaling it out through the nostrils. Bringing awareness to the breath. As you breathe in, experience the feeling of the inhalation, where it moves and touches the body. And as you breathe out, notice where the exhalation moves and touches the body. And today we're going to practice resting our awareness in the pause between breath. So notice that there is a brief emptiness at the top of the inhale before the air begins to exit the lungs on the exhalation. It's just a small gap, a small liminal space in between that inhalation and exhalation. There's a natural stillness there. And now also notice that the same empty space exists when the exhale has ended and the next inhale has yet to arise. So when that last exhalation goes all the way out, there's a gap, a space between what has just passed and what has yet to begin. Allow your awareness now to rest in these spaces of the breath. Noticing the empty space at the top of the inhale and noticing the empty space at the bottom of the exhale. You might even find it helpful to visualize this by drawing a box in your mind. So inhaling up, drawing one side of the box from bottom to top. Then on that space between, drawing the line across. Then on the exhale, drawing that line from top to bottom. And in that space at the bottom of the exhale, closing that box, drawing the line across the bottom. So you continue this box breath in this way, noticing the top and bottom of the breath. Noticing how the body feels, having rested in those empty spaces of the breath. Thank you for practicing with me on day 15 of our meditation challenge. And I do hope you'll practice with me again tomorrow. Namaste.